on it with little space balls. And it's pretty metallic and it's rainbows. Now I'm gonna see what it feels like. It's like jiggly like jelly. And when you touch it, it'll be like a moist feeling in your hand. And it kind of looks like a liquid. And it feels like a solid. And it kind of feels like something similar to like a slime that's like, it's hard to describe, but it breaks apart easily. It's more like geck than slime, because geck breaks apart and slime is moldable. And you can see that there's like a giant hole in there and it won't go back together like slime. I got this from the $2 shop and I do recommend it. And that's all for this video. See you in my next video. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.